Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export deals in Freshsales. So don't actually try to come here to the deals section. There's no option like that. You come here in the left-hand panel, click on this gear cog to access the admin settings. And from here on the bottom left, you'll see account settings. I want you to click on this and then click here on account settings again. Okay. And on this page, I want you to come here on the right-hand side. You'll see export data, right? Click on this button and select your time period that you want. I'll do until today, so everything until today, which you can only export once per day. Okay, this option I'll just choose for now last 90 days. Now we need to choose a records to export. So I only want the deals, so I'll toggle this one on, deals, and the exported data will actually be sent as a zip file to your email. Then just click on export data, and there you go. You got a success message, export data initiated. Usually it is pretty instant. So if we come here to our email under the spam section, that's where they usually send it, right? You can go ahead and refresh if you don't see it already. And then what I want you to do is just open your email. There you go. It is ready to be exported. Sent 0 minutes ago. Click here to download the data, and the zip file will actually be downloaded, as you can see right here. And that is how to export deals in Freshsales.